Okay. What a book I'm making. I am going to be mixing this slime together, so it's gonna be excellent. And I already said that, but and Happy New Year. The real Happy New Year, because yesterday we posted like that. I posted with my friends, Lauren, and then at like 11:47 or something, like at 12, because there's a party going on. And I'm going to be mixing these two slime, because I was talking to Leilani, and she said that she don't care. She gave me this slime yesterday. As you know, I was playing with it in the video, and Lauren. So these two together, and we're doing a challenge. We only have like 5 minutes to do this video. So this video is definitely gonna be shorter. What is that? Solution. Okay, so 3, 2, 1. Okay. It's already getting big. Like, gosh, it's getting like. Look at that. Oh, look, yeah, it's kind of at. Oh gosh, this thing is so hard. Okay, so it's still the same color, but it's bigger. But look at that, y'all. So you gotta keep mixing it in. Go work out with your hands, though. You know? Oh, it's really tiring. Don't worry about the situation over here. I still have extra glue from Leilani's slime, and she also gave me this present yesterday, and she gave me it's really cute, like purse, like a little wallet purse. You can put like your phone, your money, which I don't know. I'm just gonna put anything, but like my glasses. Yes, I don't wear glasses actually, but I wear glasses. Okay, that makes no sense, but I just said it. Okay, so as y'all know that I'm gonna change my YouTube channel name, and as y'all know, I already changed the pictures. Like Leilani changed her picture. Okay, so I'm trying to make a bowl, but I don't think I could do it because I'm not really an artist. Like I'm not an art teacher. But I do art. Yeah, okay. Okay, that's all I have for you guys. Bye, y'all.